You are not gonna believe me when I tell you that you could have your edits look something like this instead of looking like this if you only started implementing Topaz right. I'm sure we all heard about Topaz at this point. It's one of the best, if not the best AI upscaling tool, which lets you upscale your edits to 4K. And I mean real 4K. As you can see, I imported a normal clip of Johnny Sins. Quality is not that great, but also not too bad. Little bit of grain here and there. But this is the first mistake you're making. Make sure that the clips you're importing don't look like they've been recorded on a toaster. I mean, Topaz is good, but it certainly has its limits. You're not going to turn a 240p clip into 4K. Try to choose the clips that you want to upscale in the highest possible quality. And the next thing we want to make sure of is that we're selecting the right AI model. Because no matter what anyone tells you, this does not look good. Now, to select the right AI model, make sure to click on enhancement, enable it. For the video type, choose progressive. And the AI model is going to be ProToys fine-tune/enhance. Next, I know you're lazy, but we're not going to leave the parameters on auto. Come on, bro. So put that straight to manual. And I know this might now end up in some more work, but it's definitely going to pay off at the end. Because what's more important than choosing the right AI model? Choosing the right parameters. First setting, revert compression. I'm just going to put that straight up to 60. If you have a lot of compression on your video, make sure to turn this up. But if there's none at all, you can also turn it down a bit. Now, improve detail, I like to put to 50, but feel free to go a bit higher. Now, for the sharpen, be aware that the color correction might mess this up. If you use a CC that has a lot of sharpen on it, you want to keep this value down. If you don't, go a bit higher. In my case, I will go to 20. Now, for the reduced noise, you can see that our clip doesn't have a lot of noise on it. So it would rather be a bad idea putting this value all the way up. And if it's the same for you, also keep this value down. Otherwise, it's going to mess up the quality. So I'm going to put it like the sharpen to 20. Now, what the hell is de-halo? It's basically there to help balance over sharpening. So if your clip is over sharpened, make sure to take use of it. In our case, we don't really need it, so we'll keep it very low. Put it to 10. And now the de-blur is my secret sauce. Put it all the way up to 100. And obviously, we're not going to add noise because duh. And recover original detail, we're going to put to 60. Now, the next mistake you're making is leaving on this grain setting. Definitely turn that off, because why would you have extra grain on your clip? And obviously, by the end of this video, you want your quality to look like this. So we're going to have to make sure that it stays like that even after Topaz. And this is where we have to change the output settings. Your output settings are the equivalent to your render settings. So they also play a huge role. First of all, the encoder we're going to put to ProRes. And the codec we're going to put to 422 LT. Now, if you want the audio from your clip to be preserved, put this to copy. But I don't want my clip to have audio, so I'm going to put it to none. And lastly, the container we're going to leave at MOV. And after Topazing, never forget the most important step, which will secure your quality even after uploading to social media. Because I see so many people apply the right settings and export in the correct way, but somehow their edits look trash once they're uploaded. And it wouldn't be me if I wouldn't have a fix. What you need to do is apply a good color correction. As you can see, adding a good color correction can boost the quality of your edits immensely. Watch this tutorial to learn how to do that, and click the first link in the description to get 70% off. Limited time offer. Subscribe for more tutorials, and see you next time.